Zoysia grass is a warm-season perennial grass often used by homeowners as turf cover. As with all plants, however, zoysia grass can spread into undesirable areas as a weed, creating visual blemishes and taking nutrients away from your desirable plants. In this video, we'll go over how to identify zoysia grass, how to get rid of zoysia grass in areas it doesn't belong in, and how to prevent zoysia grass from growing back once removed. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Zoysia grass is a warm season grass that grows in patches. When actively growing, the grass blades are a light or dark emerald green and are narrow in shape. Depending on the exact species, zoysia grass can be soft or stiff to the touch. The upper surfaces of the blades have a fringe of hairs, and the leaf tip is sharply pointed. As a perennial, zoysia grass does produce stolons and rhizomes, both of which spread laterally. When this plant grows in cool season areas and the temperature falls below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, it becomes a straw beige color. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check around your property to confirm the weed's presence or find activity hotspots. Zoysia grass typically grows in the southern United States in areas with full sun and warm climates. This grass grows well in areas where the soil temperatures reach 80 to 95 degrees Fahrenheit. Zoysia grass can also grow well in areas that see partial sunlight. When inspecting lawns, be sure to look out for discolored patches of turf that don't match your desired turf cover. When the weather cools, look out for patches of grass that may have lost its color at a different rate from the native turf. Common sites where zoysia grass can be a problem include lawns, sports turf, and golf courses. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE and remember to keep people and pets out of the treated areas until products dry. When talking about zoysia grass growing in turf where it's not desired, the best control methods come in the form of prevention. However, when zoysia grass creeps or spreads into areas where it shouldn't be growing, there are products you can use to eliminate this weed now. Check out Eraser 41% Glyphosate. This non-selective herbicide will eliminate any plant it is applied to. Just mix 2.5 fluid ounces of Eraser into 1 gallon of water to treat up to 300 square feet. We recommend you mix and apply your solution in a handheld pump sprayer. Be sure to mark this sprayer for non-selective herbicide use only to prevent cross-contamination in the future. To keep track of where you've applied this non-selective herbicide, we recommend you mix a product like Vision Pro Max Indicator Dye into your solution. Vision Pro Max will dye your solution blue so you can see exactly where you've applied your herbicide. You'll add 1/10 of a fluid ounce of dye per 1 gallon of solution. Spot treat any weed you've found during your inspection. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the leaves are fully coated and spray the weed to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when wind speeds are low to minimize drift. When applied properly, affected weeds will yellow and begin to die. Conduct follow-up applications as necessary. After applying Eraser, you should see results within 2 to 4 days, but a second application may be made after 4 weeks. If you're spraying zoysia grass in turf, the surrounding grass may become injured and may need to be seeded. Prevention is essential to keeping weeds in check. Even after applying herbicides, the best way to stop weed activity is to ensure it can't happen. To prevent unwanted grasses from growing on your turf, we recommend you promote the health of your native turf to reduce the conducive conditions that allow weeds and disease to take hold. Mow your grass at proper intervals to maintain a thick growing density. A lawn dense with taller, trimmed grass is better able to choke out weeds and other unwanted grasses and prevent them from establishing. Reduce the shade cast on your lawn by trimming overgrown shrubbery and tree branches. Rake away leaf litter and pick up any debris. And employ a proper watering schedule to provide the local grass with enough water to strengthen its roots, but not so much that will encourage weeds. Many grasses require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can remove zoysia grass from your property, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.